Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can remove fields from the checkout page on WooCommerce, so let's get right into it. I'm using this guide by Technology Ally simply because I do not have the money to afford a business plan on WordPress, so I cannot access the WooCommerce store functions. So I'll just be going over this step-by-step guide. It is not complicated, it is concise, it is very easy to follow. I do recommend you check it out if you have any other questions and any other difficulties after I finish this tutorial, but I should explain everything pretty well. Now, the way that you edit this is, well, you have a couple of different ones. You can use plugins or you can use the built-in code. So you can just go ahead and disable the default checkout fields. You can use custom code as I mentioned. Just go to the theme options and go to the functions PHP file and edit it by adding these here. This here code. You just need to copy these lines for whichever field you would like. Once you are adding it, just copy it and add it for every field you want to remove, and that should be it. Now you can remove required fields as well. However, I do not recommend doing that, but you can set, for example, the billing phone to not be required by using this code right over here. And my favorite, honestly, way to do this is by using the editor, which is very simple and very easy to use. So you just need to get the WooCommerce checkout field editor, install the plugin by going into plugins, add new, search for the plugin and install and activate. Should be free as far as I'm aware. If it's not, I do apologize, but it is the best option to use because it is very simple to use. Once you install it, you just need to go to WooCommerce and go to checkout field editor, and from there you can add, remove, and rearrange fields with a drag and drop interface, which is very, very simple to use. It's pretty much exactly how you would make a page on the WordPress site builder anyway. So you can just drag and drop it, remove it as much as you want, and then after you make all of your necessary changes, you can just click Save Changes, and everything should be good to go. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Again, I am very sorry that I can show you guys hands-on how to do this, but the subscription of $300 per year for WooCommerce is, or for the business plan on WordPress, is very, very much, and I do not have the funds to back that up, and it is a needless investment for me at the moment. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.